MeghalayaPost.news.
Hadian kat House Nam baka Shillong Press Club kelayo ban pelong biang yak election dangshen banjit yak nang ilam Thymmai nadu President bat General Secretary bala ban shet hoba Demaya El Siangchai bat ba Savio dengdo mantaka snipat kelayo ban pelong sai ke election banjit yak dikot ni ke Executive Committee bat Thymmai bat Pura. Ketika election banjit Iaki Nongkitkam Thymmai ban penskem Iaki Nongkitkam jangka kenhun kinong thok khabor ke jela lasdang nadu sipo buji mestep adu sawaji janmin bahkan tup ke post Vice President Assistant General Secretary bat ke dikot ke Executive Committee. Hani ke election bat ke jingnyau vote uba bahabok lalu ula syajet ke Vice President bat Thymmai ba Samuel Lingdo ke Assistant General Secretary bat sangut ke dikot ke isi bahkan tup uba Wesley Lingdo Ji Jarang James Lingdo Nonglaj bat ke kong Iban Kenti Mauri.
And very upset. Almost and each and every member was in the club, they think each and every one of the candidates was stood for this election and for those who won the election. Election is an election. We are of the same family, brothers, sisters. We will continue to work for the betterment of each and everyone. And I also take this opportunity to thank the Almighty that the conduct of election was very smooth and fair. I also express my sincere gratitude to friends who have taken part in the election. Especially, I have to fought the election against my very, very close friends. Though we have misunderstanding, I guess that from now on we will remove all these hurdles, but we will work together.
Untuk sini hari ini dia slow ini result. Ini kata jinjok jingram betul. Mulai asam bolong. Bagam ni papan pihak ini. Kami ni pihak ini kami kalau kan anda apa ini usaha ini utai usaha ini bagam manindan kata jinjok pihak. After all, ini family berat. Kalau idon kam mana dia sol. Kalau idon kam mana dia Jadi ketika por mengenai beliau pun kemudian mengenai nasupa berikut jingran juga tak cisongo. Gratitude is not only the greatest of the virtues, but the parent of all the others.
MeghalayaPost.news.